In 2025, thousands of entrepreneurs are going to watch their dropshipping dreams crash and burn. But that does not have to be you. I'm about to walk you through the 3 most expensive, business-killing mistakes you've absolutely got to avoid if you want your dropshipping store to survive and thrive this year. Mistake number 1, picking the wrong niche. This is where most businesses are dead before the first sale even rolls in. Look, chasing the latest viral trend might seem like a shortcut to easy money, but by the time you jump on, that train's already packed. And building a general store, trying to sell everything to everyone, that's a recipe for getting lost in the noise fast. Instead, focus on solving a specific problem for a specific group. Niche down so hard that your store becomes the obvious answer for your audience. If you're not the go-to solution for someone, you're probably nothing to anyone. Mistake number 2, partnering with unreliable suppliers. This is the fast track to disaster. If your supplier is slow, inconsistent, or ships out products that look nothing like what you promised, your brand's reputation gets wrecked, no matter how good your marketing is. Customers don't blame your supplier, they blame you. So, treat supplier selection like your business depends on it, because it does. Order samples, stress test their communication, dig into reviews, and don't be afraid to walk away if something feels off. Mistake number 3, ignoring your existing customers. So many stores are obsessed with chasing new buyers and they forget the goldmine they're already sitting on. With ad costs only going up in 2025, if you're not turning one-time buyers into loyal repeat customers, you're pouring money into a leaky bucket. The fix? Nail your customer service, make your post-purchase experience unforgettable, and build out your email marketing. It's way cheaper to keep a customer than find a new one. And loyal fans are the backbone of every sustainable brand. All right, so here's what you need to remember. Pick a niche and own it. Choose suppliers like your brand's life is on the line. And treat every customer like they're your biggest investor. The days of overnight dropshipping riches are gone. But if you put in the work now, build a real brand, and avoid these rookie mistakes, you're already miles ahead of the competition. Don't settle for being just another store. Be the store people remember. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more real talk on building your online business, and let me know in the comments. What's the number 1 mistake you've seen new entrepreneurs make? See you in the next one.